Detail Supply Company, setting the standard for the marine detailing industry. We set the standard.
Hey, this is Captain Ken here at Marine Detail Supply Company. I'll tell you what, we got a special video for all of you out there. We actually have Noah, who is the owner and operator of Marine Detail Supply Company Charleston, is at the factory of Freeman Boatworks, and he's ceramic coating the one and only Nick Stanczyk brand new 28. So if you want to see what it takes to ceramic coat from head to toe, check this out.
Hey guys, we're here at the Freeman facility today on Stan's 28. We're going to talk about these beautiful seats that are magnetic from Miami Prestige, and we're going to be coating them with Liquid Thor today. Pretty simple, brand new seats. Took them out of the plastic off camera right before. We're going to hit them with Stark's Surface Prep. Nice little alcohol wipe. Pretty easy stuff. We want to make sure we have a clean surface free of oils, grime, grease, anything. They're really the easiest to coat out there. We get a lot of questions honestly about what we do with these seats and if we can coat them and protect them. A lot of companies out there have these spray-on ceramics and these vinyls now. Ultimately, Liquid Thor, being one of the most versatile ceramic coats we have out there, can really improve and protect these seats from mold, mildew, sweat, sunscreen. We talk about mold and mildew on these seats a lot. One of the best things you can really do is protect them from the factory. Like I said, we're gonna crack open a new bottle of Liquid Thor and prime our applicator pad correctly and get these seats coated. We've got a bunch to do today, so we'll get to work. You guys know, we've seen many videos when priming your pad. We wanna make sure we get it first soaked real well. Again, we're using the auto fiber thick applicator pad. We'll get it primed nice and well, give it a nice little taco squeeze, really get that stuff spread out evenly. Get a couple more drops, and right, with ceramic coating, we all know it's flat and beautiful as possible. These are nice and easy. And when you have these textured surfaces like this, we're not even gonna level it. We're gonna just wipe it on, let it cure, and be done with it. We'll really be able to see, you know, what we're coating, making sure we get this full thing. Really one of the simplest things you can do out there. Like I said, we're probably 1 minute into it and this full thing's coated. We're gonna let it sit. It'll flash off and that'll be it for our cushion. Hey guys, we're back here. Nick Stanczyk's 28 Freeman on the stand through, talking about the versatility of Thor and how much we can actually protect bringing one product up here. We're able to hit the gel coat, the powder coat, your vinyl seats, your radars, your antennas. Most importantly, we want to protect this from the sun and the elements down there in the harsh Florida winters and summers. Guys, one of the huge benefits of Liquid Thor is the fact that it's so versatile, right? We're going straight from cushions to the powder coated aluminum. We know that salt water, especially South Florida down there in the Keys, is gonna be harsh on this stuff. So while we're coating this vinyl from Miami Prestige, we're gonna go straight into the powder coated system on it too. It's the easiest process, the same thing. All we're gonna do different on this one is because it is a smooth surface, we're gonna let it flash off and then we're gonna level it with our microfiber.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment on our content. We encourage engagement and debate. Be on the lookout for more product reviews, tutorials, and interviews just like this. Follow us on social media for free giveaways weekly. See you next time.